Surds simplification. Number 1. Fraction in numerator under root another root 625, same root under root 16, root in denominator root 100 minus root 36. First, root 65, it means 25, so here is root 25 times root 16 is a 4, root 100 is a 10 minus root 36 is a 6, because all numbers are perfect square. Now root 25 is a 5 times root 4 is a 2, 10 minus 4 is what? It's a 4. So 5 times 2 is a 10, divide 4, here is 5 by 2. So this one we can write, this is an improper fraction, we can write 2 1 by 2. This is our answer of first question. Very simple. Question 2. Root 98 plus root 18 divide root 98 minus root 18. So what can we do? First, this root 98 we can write root 49 times 2 plus here is root 18 we can write 9 times 2. Similar, root 49 times 2 minus root here 9 times 2. 49 is a perfect square, so we can write 7 and here is a root 2 plus 9 is a perfect square, so we can write 3 and here root 2. Similar, 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Okay, now 7 plus 3 is 10, so here is 10 root 2 and 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2, it will be 4 root 2. So we can out this root 2. 10 we can divide by 2, so here is 5. 4 we can divide by 2, here is a 2. So we get 5 by 2. The answer also similar as question 1, which is 5 by 2, it means 2 1 by 2. Very simple. Number 3 is very simple comparatively last two math. First, 9 plus root 81 divide root 81. So 9 root 81, 81 is a perfect square, so we can write 9 and here is same 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, divide 9. So 18 and 9, once we divide by 9, it will be, here is 2. So our answer is 2. So finally we have completed all math. I hope you understand everything. These kinds of math is very important for IGCSE mathematics. So no more today, it's a short video but it's very important. Thank you. Hope you will subscribe my channel.